I've already played both of these. They weren't on video. That was before I had a YouTube channel or something like that. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna play this. I'm excited. I'm so excited to play. I am so excited, honestly. And I just want to see how good this game will be. I'm excited to get scared. I'm excited to see what the storyline of this game will be. Alright, cool. Witcher Peak. Wicca. Why did I say Witcher when there's no H? Witcher Peak. Cool. Alright, we're here. Ooh. Hey there. Daniel. That was from Camping 2, right? That was the guy from Camping 2. Park Ranger Daniel. Come join us in the log. After that, Park Ranger Daniel will give you a tour of the... Oh, this is Daniel, I think. No, this is Daniel. Wait, who's who? Here we are. Feel free to have a look. Thank you. We got books. Oh, something's gonna happen at least at this window. There has to be. So cozy. And how do we enter the... Oh, okay. This is a pretty small wait, how do we get over there then? Oh, okay, we're going for a tour of the mountain. Okay, let's go. This is a pretty big cabin. Not really, but you get the point. A bonfire. Oh, no. Ooh, I want to read it. Bruh. Okay, Freddy. The mystery of Zach Nolan. What happened to the notorious serial killer Zach Nolan? After breaking out of prison, the only known information of his whereabouts were reported in a world-renowned park ranger named Daniel claimed to have seen Zach Nolan at Terra Park, where he was allegedly killed by a strange creature. There's been reports of reported sightings of a strange creature in Wicca Peak. Rumor has it that Zach Nolan's undead daughter has brought him back to life in the form of a mechanical suit similar to the one Zach Nolan used to bring back his daughter after a tragic car accident. No, that's what we just saw. That's what we just saw. There's no way it isn't. It's getting late. You should return to the lodge. Enjoy your stay. Thank you. This is not the way to the... Okay, it is. Guys, the log is it. The log... Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to get over there. That's my main goal. Figure out how to get over there. Is it already nighttime already? No. There's gonna be something out here. There's gonna be something out here. What in the creature is this? Okay. Wait. What is that? What? Bro, someone... Do you guys hear? Yes, I hear that. Who is crying? Wait a minute. Hold on. I know that cry from somewhere. What? And I know what that cry is. It's like a... Oh. Is it? Oh, it might be... Is it 096? Could it be 096's cry? It actually might be 096's cry. That sounds exactly like him. No way. It's gotta be him. There's no way it's not 096, bro. Editor, play the clip of 096, please. Oh, it's Daniel. Daniel, what's wrong? Daniel? Whoa! Okay, Freddy. What is going on with you? Run, hurry, back to the lodge. Alright. Oh, I can't go that way. No. Run. Go. No! Okay. Almost there. Come on. No! Okay, we're good. No, we're not. Okay. This is intense. Okay. Okay, we made it past. It's okay. Oh. No. Oh, go, 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 go. No, oh, that was so close. Oh, oh my god. Oh. Watch out. Did he get struck by it? I think he did. No, he didn't. Okay, okay. Oh. Where's Park Ranger Daniel? And why did we close the gate? The thing's gonna come. I knew it. I knew it. Nah, 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 nah. Why am I? Oh, really? Craftsmanship. No way. Freddy Fazbear? Oh, bye. Alright. Tonight is a cold night. You decide to take shelter. No! Why? 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 Bro, no. This is where the monster is gonna live. Calling it. I'm calling it right now. This is where the monster is. This is where the monster is. I'm calling it right now. I'm hungry. No one cares. Me too, but we have nothing to eat. I'm starving. If we don't eat something, we'll all die. Well, I know something we could eat. Wait a minute. You don't. No, no, no. They're gonna risk people now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, let's go you. Actually you. Oh. 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 I can make a 4-4. Let's make. No, 4-4. 4-4. I got the man's torso. Go on it. Why me? Why me? What? Oh no. I knew it. I knew something was gonna happen. Oh, it's coming in. I'm the best obby master, trust me. So I think someone died. Ugh. Yeah. No. Daniel's it. Daniel. We found him. It's Daniel. It's Daniel. That was close. No way. How was Daniel here? Why would Daniel be here? He's the monster. He's the killer. He's the murderer. He's the killer. And let me shoot him. I'm about to bop that motherfucker. What happened to the craftsman? What happened? Oh, we ate him. We ate him. That's what happened. We prefer not to talk about that. I'll tell you. Tonight we just stay in the lodge. The mine is not safe for us. See you there. No, we can't. Nah, Daniel's the monster. Daniel's the killer. He wants us in the lodge so he can kill us. Okay, well, we proven that Daniel's not the murderer, and it's right there. He's right there. He's right there. That's not a good idea. Oh, it's Phantom Freddy. We got Phantom Freddy.
Hello, Father.
Oh, it's a Limbo Jimbo. Oh, the Freddy Fazbear guy.
I'm glad you made it. Would you mind helping me with this?
It's nah, I'm calling this guy Freddy Fazbear and Phantom Freddy Fazbear. Ooh. Nope. Nope. Oh, this is intense. Oh, this is intense. Light work. I don't get hit. Nope. 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 Need someone has lightning strikes again. I'm cornered. I'm not cornered. Nope. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's too close. That's too close. That's too close. Never mind. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Maybe not. We don't know. No. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Okay, we're good. Oh, he's got the double. He got the double. Two girls died. That's okay. All that matters is that I'm alive. Whoa! Oh, I didn't see that coming. Oh, she about to respawn. How long is this gonna go for? Oh, we're done. Okay, that was intense.
Time to end this.
I don't think you're gonna end this. You're ending this. Okay. I guess we're going off the edge. Thank you for taking us. That was an intense battle, but you guys technically lost. Oh, our lost souls. We got our fallen souls here.
Get out of the way. You ruined enough already.
That hurt my voice. Oh! Oh, they're having a battle. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Why is my sheesh all the way up there? It's supposed to be down there. Oh, they're having a battle. Uh-oh. Enough! Nightmare. Nightmare, more like... That hurt my ears. Oh, Jesus. That's the killer from... Oh, that's the Camping 2 killer. Well, no, it was that Camping 1. That was one of them. Zach. I'm sorry I hit your daughter with my car. I know it's hard it is to lose someone you love. Oh my gosh. This is Zach Nolan. I forgive you. Oh my gosh. Help! The car is rolling away. Oh, he gone. Uh-oh. Goodbye. No, Zach, no! Zach! Zach! No! 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 Zach! No! No! No, Zach, no! Yes, to be continued, please. We won another part. That was so good. That was Zach. So, that was the killer. What was it? From Camping 1 to Camping 2? It was one of them. I think it was Camping 2. That was the killer from when it was the cabin and whoever was in the tent, something like that. Whoever got into the tent, that was something like that. Yeah, that was the killer. I think it was campaign 1 or campaign 2. I forgot. I don't remember. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this very good video. I think. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please subscribe and like. And yeah, peace.